your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. Now open from 8 a.m. till 6 a.m. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
And Bingo Pot, new operating hours, 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Bingo Pot at TAC RC Building at the East Bahak Public Market.
Hi, we are the students of Westmead International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. This is the final hour of this radio show, The Morning Brew. It's just gonna be the brew. And speaking of which, 12:17 in the noontime on the dot. All right, time once again for some of the latest pieces of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator welcomed officials from the Trade Tech Resources Incorporated during their courtesy visit at the chairman's office. All right, Trade Tech officials Nelson Cruz, Jose Marie Razon, Lito Sulit, and Jet Razon are welcomed by Chairman Eduardo Jose L. Alino. Port Operations Deputy Administrator Attorney Martin Christopher Roman, PWTSG Deputy Administrator Marco Estabilio, Department Manager 3, Engineer Gary P. Fernandez, Seaport Manager Jerome Martinez, and Engineer Lilibet S. Baza. Okay, so there you have it. It's always a busy office for our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose Alino, and of course our officials as well, all our officials of the SBMA. Again, they welcomed the officers or officials of Trade Tech Resources Incorporated as they paid Chairman Alino their courtesy visit. And another courtesy visit was made by His Excellency, the Ambassador to the Philippines of South Korea, Ambassador Lee Sang-hwa. SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino welcomed His Excellency Lee Sang-hwa, Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to the Philippines during their courtesy visit at the Chairman's office, of course. And in addition, Head of Secretary Electronic Section Councilor Kwon Sun-yoon, Infrastructure, Transportation, Aviation, First Secretary Choi Yong-hyun, and Third Secretary Vice Consul Kim Myung-hun accompanied Ambassador Sang-hwa during his visit to Chairman Alino. The SBMA Board of Directors and other agency officials were also there during their visit, during the courtesy call of the Ambassador of South Korea, right? So there you have it. The pieces of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Latest. This is your best source for latest Subic Bay Freeport news and info. 895 Subic Bay Radio. All right. And I want to give a big shout out this time to our friends at Besties Bag Collection. Besties Bag Collection is located at number 17 Bonifacio Street, Barangay Pag-asa, Olongapo City. All right. So for more inquiries for beautiful bags, they got beautiful bags for you. Yan, yung mga tropa ko, bilhan mo naman ng bag si Mahal. Alam mo naman ng mga ladies natin. Masayang-masaya yan pag nabibilan ng bag, ng shoes, di ba? Tama ba ako mga kumare? Bag, shoes, blouse, accessories, and a whole lot more. Yeah, okay? So, call or text 0999-990-4749 for more inquiries about Bestie's bag collection. Okay? So, you may also like their Facebook page. I-like nyo na rin para to keep you updated dahil regularly nagla-live selling tong ating kumaring Beng Bitug eh. Ayan, si napakagandang host ng live selling. Si Sister Beng. Okay? Maganda na, mabait pa. I call her the double M, si Maring MM. Mali ako nung napindot na button, laughing thing. I was supposed to press the clapping dahil pumupuri ako eh, di ba? Eto yun. Yun! Nung sinabi kong maganda at mabait, laughing thing, parang mali eh, di ba? So kailangan clapping, di ba? So yeah, everybody there at Bestie's Bag Collection, how you guys doing? Okay? Again, they're located at number 17 Bonifacio Street, Barangay Pag-asa. Lapit lang dito, no? Paglabas lang, malapit na. Malapit sa likod ng SM Downtown, okay? All right. Also located there is Edmin's Ref and Aircon services. Okay? For your needs para sa sales, parts, repair, maintenance, cleaning, ref and aircon. Edmin's at the same place, 17 Bonifacio Street, Barangay Pag-asa, Olongapo City. Okay? And final batch of invites this time coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, the guest end of season sale is happening. Okay, up to 50% off June 17 to July 31. We have a long way to go for this one. Okay, so you guys check it out. Up to 50% off. Guest is at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? Also, do check out the cookie medley. Your cookie dreams come true at Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. Ground level also of SM City Olongapo Central. All right? And day one today of the end of season sale for SM Supermalls. June 28 to July 7. Up to 70% off on great finds. So visit your nearest SM now. Also, H&M is having their sale up to 50% off naman sa H&M, located at the ground floor of SM Central. And check out the Our Home recliners. Less 10,000 pesos on all their top recliners. Okay? Sarap may recliners, no? Hihila-hilata. At the push of a button, uupo, and then hihilata. Transform. Our Home is at the third level of SM Central, okay? And do check out the final event for Olongapo City Hood 2024 happening tomorrow, the One Singing Contest, June 29, Saturday, 2 p.m. tomorrow at SM City Olongapo Central's ground level. And the day after that, the SM Little Stars audition is gonna be back naman, June 30th, also at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central, the SM Little Stars 2024. And the BTS Fan Fest, BTS Army, head on to SM Downtown this coming Saturday, 3 p.m. at the level 2. Okay, so get to dress and get to sing a la BTS. Okay, Downtown, SM Downtown, second level, 3 p.m. Saturday, June 29. And last call for menswear sale. Up to 50% off dahil hanggang June 30 na lang. Up until this, ano ba ang June 30? 29 and 30 is Saturday and Sunday. Ayun, hanggang June 30 na lang. Oh. So you guys better hurry, huh? Alright? Menswear, up to 50% off. And coinciding with that is the Girls Teen Sale. Ganun din, up to June 30 na lang. So you guys better hurry. Girls Teen Sale, up to 50% off at all SM stores. All right? Also, last call for the Installment Fest dahil it will also end June 30th. Instantly win back 5,000 pesos worth of SM Gift Pass at the Installment Fest at all SM stores. And lastly, let me give you the lineup of movies since weekend. If you guys have plans of watching movies, okay? Here's what's showing at SM Cinema Central. Inside Out at Cinema 1, Cinema 2, extended pa rin. How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. I just don't know kung meron pa rin available na tissue tsaka tubig. Tissue at tubig. Pero kung sobrang iyaking ka, kulang sa'yo yung tissue. Andalin mo tuwalya. Dala ka lang ng tuwalya. Kung kulang pa yung tuwalya, kumot. Cinema 3, A Quiet Place Day 1. Cinema 4, Tarot, Korean horror film. And Cinema 5, Inside Out Part 2. Cinema 6, My Boo. Alright? And for SM Cinema, SM Downtown, Inside Out Part 2. Cinema 1. Cinema 2, How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, back-to-back with Tarot. And A Quiet Place Day 1 at Cinema 3. So there you have it, the lineup of movies for you. Buy your tickets now. You can buy your tickets early para you can reserve the seat that you want when you watch the movies, okay? So back to the Friday Rewind songs, the cool Friday Rewind songs we have lined up for you. 70s, 80s, and 90s music only, all Friday long. This one's from 1988. Bon Jovi, Born to Be My Baby.